understanding the behavior of the people, group behavior of the people at the organization level. One of the model which is found to be very, very useful in business is the ethical corporate culture model. According to this model, it has been observed that the differences in the culture perceived by the management and practices of the workers can create conflict, and the issues arising with respect to ethical conduct becomes important in that situation. So the question of what is ethical and what is not ethical becomes important when such differences exist. So the model adopted at the organization level to modify or to comply with the human behavior at the organization level towards the practices which are perceived as ethical in nature. This model, which is called ethical corporate culture model, is adopted, in which the leader need to define the meaning of ethics, and he should be able to display ethical leadership which should spearhead and build the core culture of the organization, which is ethical in nature, and the ability of the ethical leader to protect that culture. That is the most important point of this model, which emanates from the leadership, and that too ethical leadership. The other dimension of this model is the adoption of different types of ethics programs which should be continually conducted at the organization level, and such programs and practices in organization should be encouraged. So such programs and practices will maintain the ethical culture in the organization, and people will be able to understand that what behavior is ethical and what behavior is not ethical. It should become clear to them through such ethics programs. And finally, the third dimension of this model says that the purpose of the leadership and the organization is to preserve core ethical values of the organization by rewarding the ethical behavior of the people and punishing the transgression from such ethical practices, and thereby reinforcing the faith in the ethical corporate culture, which is the prime goal of this. So one of the important benefit of this model in the group behavior is the sustainability of the organization for a long, long time. With the unethical behavior, it has been observed that some of the organizations can get short-term benefits, but in order to sustain and in order to ensure long-term benefits, this model is very, very important, and this group behavior is very, very important. So along with the cooperative group behavior, ethical group behavior is also very, very important as per this model.